if you experience any type of connectivity issue with your phone and your BMW. First, try to resolve it by powering your personal device off, then back on. If needed, take steps to re-establish a Bluetooth or Apple CarPlay or Android Auto connection. Sometimes, after a phone update, it is important to remove and then repair your device. To remove a device from the existing list, just tap the device and then scroll until you see Remove Device. To completely reset the connection, remove the vehicle from your phone. Before repairing your phone, ensure that Bluetooth is enabled. Tap the menu icon, then Mobile Devices, then Connect New Device. You can connect by selecting your phone on the display or selecting your BMW on your phone. Follow the prompts, ensuring that the 6-digit pairing request code that's displayed on your phone matches the one shown on the screen. Once connected, you can allow contacts and favorites to sync. Then, choose to simply use Bluetooth or Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Your phone is now paired with your BMW.
I'm sure you know a lot about your BMW, but there's so much more. So hit the subscribe button, comment, like, share, and tap the notification bell to discover the full potential of your BMW. What are you waiting for?